Welcome to this business English video discussion on collaborating on a deadline and preparing for the client presentation. In today's fast-paced business environment, effective collaboration and thorough preparation are key components of successful project execution. This office conversation uses typical business vocabulary, the list of which you will find at the end and below the video.
Whether working on a team project with tight deadlines or getting ready to present to clients, it is crucial to communicate effectively, stay organized, and pay attention to detail.
Hi Robertson, do you have a minute to talk?
Sure, Kate. What's up?
I wanted to check in about the new project. How are you doing with your tasks? Are you on track to finish by Friday?
I'm making good progress, but I'm a bit behind on one part. I'm waiting for some feedback from the design team, and that's slowing me down. I should be able to catch up once I get it.
I see. Have you followed up with them yet? Maybe a reminder would help speed things up.
Yes, I emailed them this morning. I'll send a follow-up if I don't hear back by the end of the day. I don't want to delay everything.
Good idea. I can also help by reaching out to them if you want. We need to keep the momentum going, especially since we have a tight deadline.
I appreciate that. I'll let you know if I need your help. By the way, have you finished the report for the meeting tomorrow?
Almost. I just need to add a few more details and double-check the numbers. I should be done by the end of the day. How about you? Do you need any support with your section?
That would be great, actually. I'm having some trouble with the budget analysis. Could you take a look when you have time?
No problem. I'll go over it after I finish the report. Let's make sure everything's ready for the meeting. We want to impress the clients.
Absolutely. Thanks, Kate. I'll keep working on my part, and we can wrap everything up together.
Sounds like a plan. Let's touch base again later this afternoon.
Will do. Thanks again.
Hey Robertson, I've finished the report. I added the latest sales data and corrected a few minor errors. Could you take a quick look before we send it to the manager?
Sure thing. I'll go over it now. Let me check the numbers first. It looks good overall, but I think we should highlight the increase in client retention in the executive summary. That's something the manager will definitely want to see.
Great suggestion. I'll update the summary and send it out. Thanks for catching that.
No problem. By the way, did you hear anything back from the design team?
Yes, I followed up with them earlier, and they sent over the latest designs. I've already incorporated them into the presentation. We're good to go.
Awesome, that's a huge relief. So, everything's set for the client presentation tomorrow?
Almost. I just need to finalize a couple of slides and rehearse the talking points. But I think we're in a solid position. How about you? Are you ready for the financial report?
I'm almost there. I just need to prepare a quick summary for the client, and then I'll be done. Should I print a hard copy for the meeting?
Yes, that would be a good idea. It's always helpful to have something tangible in case the client wants to take notes or refer to it during the meeting.
Okay, I'll get that printed and ready. What time are you planning to arrive at the conference room?
I'll be there about 15 minutes early to set up. I'll also bring the laptop and projector, just in case there are any technical issues.
Good thinking. I'll make sure to bring all the necessary documents, and I'll meet you there. Let's make sure we're prepared for any last-minute questions.
Absolutely. We've put in a lot of work on this, so we should be confident. I'm sure the clients will be impressed.
Yeah, me too. Thanks for all your help today, Kate. I think we've got this in the bag.
No problem, Roberson. Teamwork makes the dream work. Let's wrap things up, and we'll nail this presentation tomorrow.
Agreed. See you bright and early tomorrow.
This is the end of the conversation, dear students. This conversation includes common expressions and workplace vocabulary that can be useful in everyday office communication. Let's learn it. To check in means to ask about progress or updates. On track means making progress as planned. To be behind means not progressing as planned. To catch up means to get back to the expected level or pace. To follow up means to remind or check on something. The momentum is the progress or speed of work. The tight deadline is a deadline that is approaching soon, leaving little time.
To support means to offer help. To wrap up means to finish or complete something. To touch base means to briefly meet or communicate for updates. To follow up to contact someone again, often to remind them or get an update. To double-check means to review something for accuracy or ensure it's correct. To incorporate means to include something as part of a whole. To highlight means to emphasize or make something stand out. To rehearse means to practice something, usually for a presentation. Tangible is something physical, in contrast to something digital or abstract. Last minute is something done at the last possible time, close to a deadline. Confident is a feeling sure or positive about something. To nail an activity means to do something very well or perfectly. Teamwork makes the dream work, a phrase used to emphasize the importance of collaboration and working together. In conclusion, collaborating on a deadline and preparing for a client presentation are essential aspects of successful project management and client engagement. By fostering effective communication, organization, and attention to detail, teams can work together more efficiently towards common goals and deliver impactful presentations that resonate with clients. Thank you for joining this Business English video discussion, and we hope you found these insights valuable for your future projects and client interactions. Follow Kate's English Studio English channel for more insightful videos.